let's say this time you actually want, let's say you actually want to make a screencast, but this time instead of just having them see directions on the screen, you would like to have the webcam on and they can watch you at the same time. Scary, I know. So turn on the webcam, record desktop, choose which tab.
3, 2, 1.
And the trick with this is you have to remember to look at the webcam once in a while, otherwise the students are going to see the top of your head looking down like this. And again, you want to be talking to them. Again, all I did was turn on the webcam, make sure you're looking into the webcam and talking. You might want to play around with the angles first so you look like you want to look on the screen. And when you finish, down at the bottom, you'll see stop sharing, and you're done.